Welcome to your Unit 8 vocabulary lesson. Today, we'll explore 15 useful words from our reading, Unusual Objects. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and think of how you can use each word in your own sentence. Let's begin. Mysterious. Something mysterious is strange or difficult to explain. Example: the book was full of mysterious signs. Discover. To discover means to find something for the first time. Example: they discovered the object in Iraq.
A manuscript is a handwritten book or document. Example: the Voynich manuscript is still a mystery. Symbol. A symbol is a sign that represents an idea. Example: the heart is a symbol of love. Code. A code is a secret way of writing or sending messages. Example: the message was written in a secret code.
Ancient. Ancient means very old, from thousands of years ago. Example: ancient people built great temples and pyramids. Object. An object is a thing you can see or touch. Example: the museum shows old objects from history. Clay. Clay is soft earth that people use to make pots and tiles. Example: the pot was made from red clay. Electricity. Electricity is the energy that gives power to lights and machines. Example: electricity makes our homes bright and warm. Scientist. A scientist is a person who studies or discovers facts about the world. Example: scientists study old objects to learn about history. Battery. A battery stores electricity and gives power to devices. Example: my phone battery is full. Model. A model is a small copy of something larger. Example: the Sakara bird is a model of a flying machine. Machine. A machine is a device that does work using energy or power. Example: an aeroplane is a flying machine. Language. A language is the system of words people use to speak or write. Example: we speak the English language. Explain. To explain means to make something clear so that others can understand it. Example: can you explain the rule again? Great job! You've learned 15 new words from Unusual Objects. Review these words often, use them in your speaking and writing, and keep discovering new English every day. See you next time.